What's up guys, this is Kiki with the HomeCraft team and I'm here to show you our newest listing in Garden City. This beautiful brick ranch has been completely renovated and is move-in ready. It has a completely finished basement, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a 2-car attached garage, and a large backyard that's completely fenced in. Come check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you want a private showing or want to reach out with any questions, you can contact me at 313-670-1042. Thank you.